Welcome to our DraftKings promo code guide. Today, we'll explore how to get started with one of the most popular online sports betting platforms. Did you know that using a promo code as a new user can unlock fantastic benefits? Let's dive into how it works. First, head to the DraftKings website and click on Sign Up. This is where your journey begins. Next, make sure to enter the promo code provided to you during the sign-up process for exclusive offers. Fill in your personal information accurately. This helps in account verification to ensure a smooth betting experience. It's crucial to understand the welcome offer and its terms. Make sure to read through the details carefully. After verifying your account, make your first deposit to activate that enticing welcome offer. Now that you're set up, explore the wide range of sports and betting options available on DraftKings. Here are some tips. Always check for the latest promo codes and keep an eye on special events for bonus offers. And that's it. Enjoy your DraftKings experience, and remember to bet responsibly. Happy betting!